Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to a change of schedule today and a change of event. We was going to be covering Nvidia and XRP, but we've switched to this. Why? For very good reason. This, as I told you 6 months ago, was going to smash through $10. I'm going to prove the moment I said it, I was right, and then upwards, and I was right. I also said the connection to Nvidia. That's also interesting to XRP as well. So this has become our main news story of the day. All our predictions have come spot on with this, and the connections have all come spot on as well. Like I spoke about this morning on my X account, it's not about charts. Charts is a small part of it, absolutely. But the most important part, not only is the fundamentals, the news, but nurturing those personal human relationships. That's what I've been doing over the last couple of years with SoundHound, talking to people, looking at the applications, looking how it affects and how it will be connected to Nvidia. The musical element, I've spoke to you about that before on previous videos. So I'm going to share all that to give you the clarification of what I did say. So it's not just now you're saying it. I already said it 6 months and a year ago, and those relationships have all come true now. What people told me and everything else has been spot on. So let's have a quick look at it. Let me bring the charts up on the screen. This is a great day today for the markets, great day for AI, great day for SoundHound, Nvidia, and we like to bring in XRP to this. There'll all be a connection. So let me get straight into it. Huge event today, SoundHound. Expect this to be a big live stream because we've got a big following for SoundHound. I wouldn't be surprised if we get 400 or 500 people in once the word gets out that we're talking about SoundHound. Right, so tap the like button if you're new here and consider subscribing to the channel. Let me share with you all the predictions I made, why this is so important, why I love this. SoundHound pumped today. Huge rally on SoundHound. Let's have a look at it. First of all, full clarification. This was the moment I covered it, and I've been doing it for a while now. This was back 7 months ago. Buy now, Sound. This is when it was around a penny stock. It was just like $1.50, $2, whatever. I said buy now, question mark. I also shared this, SoundHound Gold. I turned the studio gold when I announced this 1 month ago. Told you that this was a gold stock ready to explode. We moved down here, SoundHound analysis. 10 months ago, I covered this one of our biggest ever videos at the time, with 11,000 views. At that point, we were about 20,000 subscribers, or maybe less than that, actually, maybe like 10,000. Anyway, SoundHound would smash through $10. There was 2 weeks ago, went straight through that. There it is. SoundHound, we did chart analysis for it. We did lots of shorts on this one. Very excited about this stock. So I've been covering this for ages now, saying that this is going to be a gold stock, and it is, and it's happened. So there you go. That's important to share that with you, right? But now we're going to cover why SoundHound is going up. We already knew it would. All our members have this information ages ago. But now let's cover the news. Let's see how many people are with me. This should be a big event this afternoon because we ranked #1 for this, or we did when I was covering it a lot. But I haven't done it for a while. But let's see how it goes this afternoon. I do expect a big audience on this one. SoundHound, this is important, right? Price target more than doubles on new AI voice offerings. This news was out just a few hours ago. This is brand new today, and this is why it's up today. SoundHound AI shares have surged in late 2024, climbing nearly 160% in the past month alone, and Wedbush believes the artificial intelligent voice platform is poised for more growth in 2025. Well, my initial target was $10. It would smash through that onto 20. We're coming up to that now. I haven't got any analysis past that point. Past that point, I would just be guessing, and I'm not going to do that. I don't want to just make up numbers for views. I'm going to tell you when I believe it's true, not just whatever, make it up. Wedbush maintains its outperform rating on the stock and increases its price target to 22 from $10. That's where we saw it going to 22. Right, so we're already just about there. So far, they're saying that now. I said this a year ago. That's great. As the company has focused on retaining a strong balance sheet to fuel its growth initiatives, Soun has recently turned to an aggressive but accretive M&A strategy with 3 acquisitions over the past 18 months, Amelia, Sync3 and Allset, to expand its reach to more opportunities for voice AI solutions, said Wedbush analyst led by Daniel Ives, an investor in an investor note. SoundHound remains in the early stages of capitalizing on enterprise AI spending, with its chat AI use cases being utilized by a growth number of restaurants and the automotive industry. Wedbush expects to reach to extend as SoundHound pushes into the voice AI e-commerce market in 2025. The company continues to leverage its partnerships with Nvidia. There it is. I brought that to you before the Nvidia partnership. So this is very exciting to see all this coming to fruition now. To bring voice generative AI to the edge without cloud connectivity, which will be demoed at CES 2025, pointing to a continued improvement of its tech stack while looking to launch the third pillar, voice commerce ecosystem of its growth strategy in 2025, Ives added. The company's EV sales ratio of nearly 72 is almost 2,000% higher than the sector medium of 3.45, said Weebler Finance in an analysis of the stock last week. While the valuation suggests a massive discrepancy from normal levels in the sector, the growth too is relatively also quite extraordinary, Weebler Finance added. For instance, while the medium toward revenue growth is 5.6 for the sector, Soun boasts a forward growth rate of the top line of over 74%. That is an over 12,000% difference when considering how SoundHound AI is a disruptive play leading a generational shift. We see that the long-term prospects are even more promising, suggesting that the stock is priced for some substantial growth ahead. Absolutely agree. Let me look at the numbers here. First of all, Seeking Alpha analysts, I pay no attention to them. I'm a Seeking Alpha analyst. Anyone can do that as long as you've got a medium to broadcast. Means nothing. Most people just promoting themselves. Quant, that's what I'm interested in. And Wall Street, that's what I'm interested in. Wall Street says it's a buy. Quant, the AI software, says it's a strong buy. I think that's the first quant AI software I've seen say that. If we look at the valuation, B from B+, it's just dropped slightly. Well, that's because the stock has risen so much recently. B+, with now growth is C+. Profitability has improved from F to D. Momentum, A+, A+. It's just piling up at the moment. And revisions, D+ is now C-, a big improvement there. However, we've got a big short interest at the moment, 24.23%. Are we in the first stages of a short squeeze? Well, we've got excessive short interest, but not enough. 20% is when it becomes excessive and a short squeeze moves onto the cards. But remember, GameStop was 100% when it popped and went crazy. So at the beginnings of it, do we have the volume? Let's have a look. Well, if we look at the volume today, it's 157. The average volume is 81 million, and our average volume. And today we've doubled volume. So we are close from a short squeeze. We're not there yet, but we're getting very, very close to an absolute explosion. What is it? What do we need? We need another a doubling of the volume again. Let's take us to about 250, 300 million in volume, and then we will get a short squeeze. We've got a double again. So if we do get the buying in, if this video does well, which it will, we always rank number 1 for this, more and more people will start piling in, and we should be at the beginnings of a short squeeze. Now that will take us over over the $30 mark. Okay, we could easily see that. So we are looking for a short squeeze. We don't have enough volume yet, but it is building. It's doubled today, so we're doing well. We need some more. We're not quite there, but we're getting there. We are absolutely getting there. Short interest isn't really enough at these levels to spark it up, but we're getting closer and closer and closer. So a short squeeze could be just around the corner. SoundHound AI skyrockets following investor conference taco shop deal. This was a few days ago. This isn't as up to date as what I just brought you. We already had a bit of a rally earlier on, but it's continued. Let me bring it up to date for those of you that missed it. SoundHound AI shares soared as much as 30% during Thursday market action. The day prior, SoundHound CFO Nitesh Sharan showcased his company's artificial intelligence-powered conversational voice products at the UBS, not USB, Global AI and Technology Conference. The Santa Clara, California-based company also announced a new deal with Torchy's Tacos today, which are rolling out SoundHound's voice AI smart ordering product and its 130 restaurant locations. We like this. This voice AI ordering capability manages 100% of incoming calls, including handling multiple calls and orders simultaneously. SoundHound said in a statement, it not only takes food orders, but also answers common questions about menu items, special store hours, and allergen information. SoundHound's voice offerings are now deployed at more than 10,000 restaurant locations, so it's still very, very small when you think about it. SoundHound shares have now climbed more than 500% year to date. Very good indeed. That was a little while ago, but worth mentioning today. This is when we first started talking a bit about Nvidia. So we're not going to go over this now because this is past news, but it is worth just showing on the screen when we started talking about Nvidia and the partnerships. We talked about it right back here in November, but in fact, over 6 months now, I've been talking about the connections with Nvidia. So we've seen a really big rally today. A short squeeze could be on the cards. It's not here yet, but it is starting to gain momentum. We are getting a little bit of profit taking, but this could continue for a while now. If we had a bit more volume, we'll really break up to that $30 mark. And again, if you just tuned in, I want to give full validity and clarification to my stream. Look, I said this 1 month ago, SoundHound was gold when it was a penny stock, that it would explode. I also covered the earnings on it. These are my shorts saying that it could explode. There it was when I said it would break $10. It smashed through that. And there we go again. SoundHound gold 1 month ago. And right back as far as 7 months ago, by now, I talked about it, had a great balance sheet and great numbers. Talking about the balance sheet and great numbers, now we've looked at all of this news and covered it all and brought the price to you. Let's go back and look how the intrinsic valuation is valued, because the intrinsic valuation would suggest it's way overbought. Way overbought. Shall we have a look at that now and see where the true valuation lies? If we scroll down here and we look at the price to earnings ratio, it's negative 46. Right? Negative 46, 46.66. All right. If we scroll down and we get, let's see if Morningstar has done a valuation for us. Have they done anything on here? Let's have a look. We're not interested in that. They haven't done a fair value. But look at the intrinsic value. If we look purely at the intrinsic value, this stock looks incredibly overbought. Let me go to here. This is SoundHound. $1.46. It's still showing a valuation of a penny stock overvalued by 92%. Can you see that there? Look, there you go. Very important to note that. However, because it only uses multiples and doesn't use DCF, it's an unreliable metric. We can't be using that. So what we want to do is look at its growth and revenue. Let's look at its revenue. We can see up 21% and are expecting relatively an S-curve going forward to next year. That looks great. Operating income is down 25%. That was on its last report, September of 2024. When is its next earnings? Let me just scroll down and have a quick look at when its next earnings is. It is February 27. February 27, so hopefully we'll cover that. Net income is down 0.8. Financing cash flow is negative 15%. Investing cash flow is up 153%. In operating cash flow is down 19%. Let's scroll down here and look at the assets. 499 million in assets, 203 million in liabilities. How much debt do we have? 39 million in debt. So we're in a nice position, we're on a debt position. As you can see, long-term debt is 19.9%. So not a lot of debt. So its balance sheet will be fine. Look at the gross margin, 61%. This was going back in September. We're waiting for those figures now for the new year. Operating margin is negative. So you can see what I'm saying. On paper, it's not there yet. On paper, it's way behind. But people are buying the future of this price, of this stock, and getting very, very excited about its future. Look at the profitability, 34%, low. Solvency, 57%, not too bad because of its balance sheet is quite good. But look at this. Look at Wall Street saying here 66% downside at $6, 8.23, 54%, $10.50, 42% downside. So what this tells us is a lot of people are buying the future price of this stock, getting very excited about its future. We did say it would do well. It is doing well, but it's now got to back it up. This could come down very, very, very quickly. It's got a huge short interest to it. We do like it, but be very careful. The time to buy this was when we suggested it as a penny stock, that $1.50, smashed through $10, smashing up to 20. Now we see 30. But, I mean, these are huge growths, but we could get a short squeeze soon. But if the shorters win and it starts, the figures start coming out that it's not really performing as well as as expected, get ready for the stock to come back down very, very quickly. So as great as it is, we would not want to be buying this right now. Okay, absolutely not. But I wonder what you'll all do. Anyway, I wanted to cover that today. So change of plan. SoundHound, huge gains here, huge profits. If I was in this now, which is when I was saying buy it at 150, I would be taking my profit absolutely out 100%. It can't keep running forever. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, I shall put our Christmas playlist. We're doing a Christmas playlist every day at the moment, and we've got new Christmas songs coming out every day that I'm recording in my music studio behind me, right here. And down here, I shall put the FOMC report. We're covering the FOMC report on Wednesday. That's going to be huge. We've called it NVIDIA and XRP Day for very good reason. Join us for that. It's bound to be an explosive day. Until next time, as always, SoundHound, it delivered everything we said, but now can it back it up and stay up there? Be careful. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. SoundHound, very nice indeed. Let me look at the earnings a minute. November 12th. Okay. Let's come back to... here we are. I've got something I'm looking for here. New members. Thank you. Fight Channel. There it is. Thank you very much. Is Fight Channel in the show? XRP. So I've got a prize money to send out here. XRP. Why isn't that showing up? I'm in the wrong set. There we go. XRP needs to be over here. I'm giving away $100 in XRP. So let me have a little look. So if I want to receive it,
Chris Botix donated £10 through a super chat. Hi Martin. I took 300% profit from Soun today.
Congratulations.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Very good indeed. Let me zoom out here. Yeah, very, very sensible. Very, very sensible. That's absolutely a great, great thing to have done. Well done to you. Why hasn't that done that? Super chat. What was that? That's a super chat, isn't it? Is that because I did that before the show? Must be. Before I went live. Let me remove gold. Maybe you have to be live during the show. Okay. Do you understand that? Anyway, let's have a look. XRP. Is Fight Channel in the show today? XRP, because I want to make sure we're going to give away... Whoops-a-days, I'm doing it again. We're giving away $100 in XRP. So if I want to receive... I need your memo too, I think. Okay. Okay, I think I do anyway. Right. If Fight Channel comes in... yes. Fight, are you here? Because you have won our $100 in XRP. Our second prize. So we're going to give that away to you now. It says here, when I look for my receiving address, it says address and memo. So could you confirm? Because as soon as you confirm that, I will do that. I will send you $100 live on the show. All right. So I'm going to give away $100 of XRP today. So yeah, if you can confirm, Fight, that it's that you don't need the memo. It says if I'm trying to receive it, I have to give out a memo. Anyway, so if you can just check that, just so I know. I'm loving this. Keeps going down my Roth Coca-Cola. I'm waiting to buy more. It's going exactly to plan. I cannot wait. I'll be reinvesting the dividends in a minute. That's why it's going down. Love this. Love this. Let's have a look. Let me read these comments I've missed. Let me start from the beginning. All our members. Evening all from Ireland. Lovely to have you here. Wow, SoundHound flirting with 20. Yes, indeed. We just covered it. We just did a SoundHound special. If you're just tuning in now, we just did a SoundHound special that will go out as its own video later. So if you've just tuned in, we've just finished with our SoundHound. We'll keep it on screen perhaps for a few more minutes, only because people are coming in and wonder what's going on. But if you come late, you missed the main show. We're just wrapping up now into the bell. It's not that cold, says G-Man. Hi, how you doing? Hey up, Banana Heads. Vaz, thank you for your video. I'm looking over it. Thank you. Hi all. Can you tell me more about Sidhu Space? Yes, Sidhu Space. At one point, we owned, was it 10% of the company? Is that right? One of our members, Martini Racer. I could do with a big barn dominium with an indoor area. I have no idea what that is. It sounds good, though. I want an Irish castle with horses and land. Bloody hell. I've got an English castle, if that helps, but I ain't got any Irish castle. I don't want an Irish castle, and I don't want any horses either. That sounds like way too much stress. Grand. How is Ireland? How is Ireland? I've always wanted to go. It's all right, but England's better. I hate the cold weather. Hi, Mike. How you doing? I played along till they did the copy trading request. I called them out on it. Joey, yes, I played along till they did the copy trading request. Right, Joey, if If you get a moment, help me with my new membership. Yes, Joey. If you give me your username at the end of the show in 15 minutes time, I will do some onboarding for you. Onboarding always happens at the end. All right, at the shows, we do it at the end of the shows. So at the end of this show, we'll be doing some onboarding. Okay? So if you want to be onboarded, we'll do that at the end of the show. Okay? In about 10 minutes. If you want to give me your username now, I can start looking for you if that helps. All right? Okay. So yeah, be very careful. Joey, by the way, Martyn Lucas, member since 2004 is the name of the profile. Yeah, I see them all the time. They're all scammers. They always, they steal my logo, which they always get documentation to find them if they continue. They use my name, same thing. But the usernames, they can't copy that. There's only one Martyn Lucas on Discord, and that's me, spelt correctly. Could be a moment for a video. Could be a nice moment for a video. What's that, Jonas? Hey, Mike, what's a nice moment for a video? Good afternoon, everyone. How you doing? Hey, Martyn Lucas. I joined last week, but I haven't figured out to use Discord yet. I downloaded on tablet, and you got a message. Yeah, someone trying to do copy. Yeah, I never message anyone. Never send friend requests. Yeah. Absolutely mental. Fight Channel wants to call into the show. Okay, let's bring Fight into the channel as well. How you doing? If you're one of my members, you can call in. Oh, let me turn my camera around. How you doing, Fight? Lovely to see you here. You all right?
I'm doing good. I'm good. What do you need now? I sent you a thing on Discord. You sent me a message, right?
Yeah, I asked for your address, which you gave me, but when I look on my XRP on my Robinhood, and I say receive, it says address and memo.
You need a memo part too?
I suppose so. I don't know, but it says if I want to receive it, there's my address and there's my memo. I mean, if you want me to just try it with the address, I'll do whatever you want. I just want to make sure we get it right. So, as I've got you here, we're going to do it live right now on the show. So what I'm going to do, you can watch me now buy $100 of XRP. Here we go. So let me go here. Let me go into my here. And I'm going to buy 100 bucks XRP. This is the prize money. This is what we do. We're now giving away free money all the time on our show. I'm giving Fight Channel $100 in XRP. There it is. There's my XRP. I don't have any at all. I'm going to buy $100 of XRP. You want to see me buy it? In 3, 2, 1, swipe. I've just bought $100 of XRP. Thank you very much indeed. Not now. I don't want to do any more. There's my XRP. Can you see it there? I'm going to send exactly that amount. So now what I'm going to do is probably best not to do this part on the show, but you'll see it go down. Can you see I've got that there? Look, I've got 40 and I've got it's moving up and down. So what I will do is I will now go XRP. So let me see, send. Here we go, send, and I'm going to send enter manually. So send all. So scan an address. Okay, so I'm going to go into the Discord where Fight has just sent me his address. Let's see if this works. I've never done this before, so this is the first time. So let's go into my messages. There you go. There is your copy text. Let me go into send. Paste. Let me delete. Here it is. Probably don't want that at the end, eh? Okay, there is the address. I'm not going to share it on the screen. Doesn't really matter if I share it on the screen, does it? Because everyone else could do the same thing. Just send him some money. He wouldn't mind that. Continue. Protect yourself from scammers. Yes, I accept and continue. I like. Oh, add memo. Some wallets require a memo. Yes. So it does require a memo. So I need your memo now, Fight. So if you give me the memo in Discord, I'll hold it on, I'll show on the screen, look. It says add memo. This is what we do now. If I want to send you XRP, we're doing giveaways all the time, live on the show. Some wallets require a memo destination tag to complete the transfer. Check the destination wallet and send it. Okay. Fight is just writing it in. I'm just waiting for it. The moment he gives it to me, I'll do it live on the show. He's just typing now. So at any point, at any moment in the show, we are doing now $100 cash giveaways. All right, here we go. So I'm going to write this in. I won't read this out. In fact, I'm going to copy that just in case I get a bit weird and end up not doing it properly. Copy text, drop that in, paste that in. There we go. That's done. Continue. XRP. Send all XRP. So watch this on the screen. There is all of my XRP. I'm giving all my XRP to send all XRP. There it is. I've only had XRP for 3 minutes and Fight Channel's getting all of it. Look, there you go. All XRP. You can see it if it focuses in. Hang on. There it is. All XRP. And there's the memo. There's the address. Submit. And I'm going to bring Fight Channel back onto the screen because you should be able to tell me you've just received it all. Submit. I've got to check my security code to make sure it's me. That's fine. Yeah. Robinhood USA as opposed to Robinhood UK because I've got both accounts. Paste. Here we go. Your transfer is on its way. All XRP. Done. Sent. So, Fight Channel. I wonder how long it will take. Done. I should now have none. Yep, I've got none. That's nice, isn't it? I've got no money anymore. Right. Okay, let's have a look. Yep, my XRP has gone. I've sent it all. And that's how we do it. If I share with you on the screen my XRP, you all saw I had XRP, and now I've got none. Exactly zero on the screen. So at any point, we are going to start giving away money all the time, just like that. If I announce spin the wheel, it's a 1 in 10 chance of winning, and you can win just like that. So I'm going to bring Fight Channel. Have you got it yet?
No.
Okay, I wonder how long it take. Any idea? Have you ever sent XRP before?
No, this is the first time for me too. So we learned something new here. We learned something new here today.
Exactly. We're all learning something new, and we'll see. I mean, you can see it's gone from my account. You saw me buy it. You saw me send it. I haven't got it. So if you don't get it, it's tough luck. I ain't sending it again. So hopefully it'll work. Otherwise, XRP's rubbish. I'm sure it's absolutely fine. I copied and pasted the address, the memo, and everything else. So we shall see what happens in a few moments. We'll keep Fight there. Be interesting to keep refreshing and see how long it takes. Let me go back to my XRP and let's see what it says here. I've got a note here. Here it says
XRP is coming your way.
Oh,
coming my way.
It's coming your way, is it? You sent 40.054 XRP to the wallet address, yada yada yada. On Ripple, it could take up to 24 hours for your transfer to complete, depending on the number of confirmations required by the wallet you're sending XRP to. Because you're only expecting one transaction, I would imagine this would be instant. Because when they talk about that, remember XRP is going to be used soon by institutions like banks sending billions of transactions. Well, obviously, Fight isn't quite an institution just yet. He's getting close, but he's not there just yet. He's just one bloke, just like me, and it should arrive pretty soon. Be interesting to see how soon it does actually arrive. But it's totally ruined my my chart for the day. Look at that. I was just going up. Look at that. That is what it did to my chart. Bosh, down $100. Because obviously I use margin to buy it. So, that's what happens. If you use margin, if I put $100 in again, it would have been different, but I've used margin. So that money isn't available now. That's why my balance for the day has gone down, but that's okay.
My chart's going down too,
Huh?
My chart's been going down all day. Mine ran up. Then
I haven't been going down. I've been going up all day. Look at my chart. Up until I paid you some money. So anyway,
I'm not too sad of where I'm at.
No, it's all right, isn't it? Right, so there you go. Now, if you've just tuned in, we did the SoundHound special today. That will be available as its own video later. We've just done a $100 XRP giveaway. We're going to be doing a lot more of these in the future. It's very, very exciting. Once we know how quick it works, we can tell you how quickly you'll receive your money. So let me carry on going down here. Well, we'll keep Fight with us so he can tell us exactly how soon you got it. Hi, Mark. I took 300% profit from SoundHound. Congratulations. That was the right thing to do. Spot on. 300%? Seriously. That's, you know, I mean,
take profit out of that.
I mean, that's, yeah. That's, that's 21 years of the S&P. I mean, 300% in a day. Yeah, I mean, obviously, right? Doesn't matter what he does after this point, does it really? Okay, let's have a little look. Let me read the comments. Let me scroll down. Hi, Vaz. Glad you're all right. Thank you. XRP is sitting at a good constant, says S7E. I can't buy Nvidia on what I use. Okay. Hi, Martin. Did you review LB Landridge, the mini TPL? Thank you. No, I haven't. It's my next one to do. I will do that tomorrow. There's my main man. How's he going, Tester Jams? Sam, I'm very well. Thank you. Thomas Morrow, good afternoon to you. I'm Martin. Did you review Gorilla? Yes, I did. It's went out. Been away a few days. Yes, it was done in a live stream. I might be here. Oh, there's Fights, Joey. When you get a moment, help me. Yes, I will. Right, it's now time to onboard. We're coming to the end of the show, so we're going to ring the bell in 7 minutes' time. So anybody that wants onboarding, it's now time. Give me your username if you want onboarding, or you want me to accept friend requests if you are a Discord premium server and I haven't onboarded you yet. Now is the time as well. To do, yes. Let me look down here. Let me go through the comments. Vaz has been taking profits. Great stuff. Sam, welcome to you. G-Man, hello to you. Crafty Falcon, do you think SoundHound AI will go up on this, or is this pretty much it? Well, to be fair, it's gone up so much, it would be daft not to take profits. XRP is going down again. So, yeah, there you go. Could have waited for a dip on XRP, lol. Well, not really. It makes no difference, does it? I bought $100 of it, sent $100. Remember, I used XRP the way XRP is supposed to be used. I didn't use it to benefit from it. I bought $100, sent $100. When Fight Channel gets it, it could be worth $50 or it could be worth $200. That's what crypto is, right?
Yeah, we got a big day tomorrow. We got a big day on XRP tomorrow with that stable coin coming out sometime tomorrow.
Yeah, I know. People are getting really carried away thinking it's going to go up now. It's not. I think we had the pop, and I think you're saying it will come down, right?
It could come down, and I'm waiting till after Christmas before it start to run back up.
Exactly. Martin, Joey, right, okay, is my ID. So let me do this. Let me just clear Fight Channel from the screen. Please stay with me, Fight, a moment. Let me just bring Joey in here, who wants to be upgraded. Let me just do this for you. So here we go. Your ID is this, Joey. Right. We are at the end of the show. We've finished our main show. We're about to ring the bell. So if anybody wants to be onboarded, now is the time to do it. So Joey is a member. Yes, he is. Let me go. Please do not accept these requests from people trying to get you to do course, all sorts of stupid things. I can't believe it, quite frankly. Joey's your name. Yep, that looks good. So we're all good. Have you received that money yet, mate? Not yet?
Yep, it's here.
Oh, you've received it. So what should we call that? What, 5 minutes? 5 minutes.
Yeah, about 5 minutes.
Yeah. 5 minutes. Brilliant. Okay. Awesome. Is it worth more than $100 or worth less than $100 now?
I didn't know what my overall value was before it came in.
Oh, okay. It doesn't matter, does it? I mean, it's there anyway. So anyway, let me give you the role of this is for Joey, YouTube member. You haven't sent me a friend request. I wished you'd had because I would have accepted it at this point. Joey, there you are. You've not sent me a friend request, so I can't accept it. If you send me one, I will, but you've now got membership status. So Joey, you are taken care of. Took like 10 minutes using the... Yes, it does look Took like 10 minutes using ETH last night from Robinhood. It took 5 minutes for us. Well done, Fight Channel. There you go. Good God, Fight Channel. Good stuff. Fight Channel, please, me please. Me please. Me please. I love it. You're not a member, I'm afraid, Luis Salazar, so I can't upgrade you. Okay, there are all the onboards today. We've run out of time to do any more onboards if you want to do it. So if you've just tuned in, you just saw me pay Fight Channel $100 in XRP. I don't think there was any fees. Were there any fees for that? It didn't seem to be any fees.
It was $1.
It was it cost you $1, did it?
Yeah, it came in at $99. Yeah, what's $1?
Well, yeah, but I may have sent $99 if it had gone down by the time I sent it. I don't know. So let's have a look. Let me see what the value was. Probably not going to now, is it? Let's have a look. How can I see that notification? So XRP, here it was. So. Yeah, I mean, essentially, I sent 40.054. Well, when I bought that was $100. A few seconds later, it could have been $99, right? And you got $99. So it's hard to tell, really, if you were charged a fee or not, really, isn't it? I mean, you got... Did you... Oh, I tell you... No, hang on. We can work out the fee or not. Did you end up with 40... how many... yeah, look at the order when it arrived. How much XRP did you receive? It will tell you that. Because then
it was 40.053985.
Oh, there you go. Hardly anything at all. I sent you 40.054. So basically, it was
a little burn.
0.01. Whatever 0.01 of an XRP is.
Yeah, it's just that little burn they do to secure the network.
Yeah, exactly. So it wasn't $1. It obviously went down by the time I sent it, but I would say that's a cent. I mean, nothing. 0.01 of an XRP. What's an XRP right now? What are we looking at now? XRP is, what is it?
247.
Right, okay. So hang on then, 247. Let's get an idea. See what it cost us. $2.47 times 0.01%. It's not even 1 cent. It's 0.00002. So it didn't cost anything. That's why XRP is so good, right? If I done that on Bitcoin,
it just said estimate $99. I guess that's what they do.
Yeah. So I reckon if you'd done that on Bitcoin or Ethereum, you'd have paid a bit of a fee on that. Whereas that was 5 minutes straight away, and maybe a cent for $100. So not even 0.001%. I mean, it's nothing, is it? So there we go. Very, very good indeed. That's how that works. If everybody wants to win $100, that's how we do it. Good. Time to ring the bell in 3, 2, 1. There we go. The bell was gone. Thank you very much indeed, Fight. We rang the bell. That's the end of our show. We've got a premiere coming up. Now, this morning we did this, and it was very, 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 very successful. It was my best Christmas song premiere. I think it was 75 people watched it with me. So thank you so, so much indeed. We're going to do it again. Absolutely awesome. The what was it? The super chat poll doesn't work if you open it before you go live, as I've learned today. So let me start another goal. No, don't need that. I'm not going to start another goal. Just want to end it. How do I end it? End it. Learn more. No, I don't want to learn more. I want to end it. How do I end it? How do I end it? I don't end it. It just lives forever. There you go. Stays there forever. Timer ended. Oh, I see. That's why. Okay, so if I start a goal to do something before the show starts, it doesn't work because I had a super chat and it never changed. So I guess you've got to do it once the show starts. Now we know. All right, keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on swimming, keep on swimming. Right, so I've got a premiere in 3 minutes. this is our premiere tonight. It's Let It Snow. Let It Snow is the premiere.
Let it snow, let it snow.
Is it snowing for anybody? It's snowing for Stacey Bailey. She probably wishes it wasn't. But here is our next premiere. So let it, this is our, please join me for the next Christmas premiere. Christmas world premiere. This is when it first goes out to the world. Video. World premiere. Okay, there we go. Let me pin that to the top. So if you wouldn't mind, please, folks, it helps promote the music, keeps it alive, and helps me hopefully get to that 10,000 quicker, so I can do the fundraising. This is it really worked today. It was my best Christmas one because everyone did that. So let me make sure that this live show is going to go there in just a few seconds' time. Customization. Let me redirect to the premiere. There it is. Let it snow. It goes live in 2 minutes from now. I'm going to be back in the morning. I'm talking to Sensei, if Sensei can come live with me tomorrow and do an all day, or at least I'll be doing all day. He'll probably do 2 minutes because he's on holiday. But hopefully we'll try and do an XRP special tomorrow, because XRP, tomorrow it happens. So I'll need to sign into some of these places where you can see it. Otherwise, it'd be a bit, daft not being able to see it. But anyway, that's tomorrow. So there we go. So if you've just tuned in, know that from now on, we can live in the middle of a show announce spin the wheel. You've got a 1 in 10 chance of winning. It's really fantastic, really quick, really fun. Yeah, 1 in 10. I mean, what a great opportunity that is. And we've given away $200 so far in XRP. It gets paid to you live on the show immediately. No fees, 5 minutes, boom, 0.01 or something about their charge for it. It's phenomenal. We can't get better than that. Live on the show, you can win money, and we can announce it at any moment on any show. So that's it from me. Thanks for tuning in. Fight, big week coming up. We got the FOMC report. You reckon we'll get a 0.25?
Yeah, we're getting that 2.5 for sure.
Yeah, I think
so. Trump's breathing down his neck.
yeah, I think he is a little bit, but I don't think Jerome Powell really cares. He's made that. Well, I mean, he says he doesn't care. I don't think he does. I think he's old enough in tooth to be not bothered about it. He's made his fame and fortune. He don't care really what Trump says, I don't think. Anyway, but we've got 1 minute to go before this premiere starts. Yes, it's literally 2 minutes actually. In case you missed it today, I put out a lot of videos today. I wasn't going to put out this much, but I did, and you may have missed them. So what you may have missed today is, stay with me, fight. I've got UAMY stock. Great news. Donald Trump trying to blow up the whole EV sector, bringing EV batteries manufactured into the US. Supermicro falling out of the NASDAQ now. Be careful trading this one. FOMC day and Nvidia XRP day, of course. That's happening on Wednesday. EPAM analysis, if you've not seen that was for a member. PPI inflation is sticky. Look out for PPI on, rate cuts on Wednesday. Tesla's fired up today. Trump all over Tesla as well, trying to build those batteries and change the whole infrastructure. And S&P next. NASDAQ, MSTR falling out of going into the NASDAQ. S&P could be next. We would love that. Okay, so there you go. All right, that's it. We got 1 minute 20. Final word from you, Fight, as we go over to our premiere.
Don't let emotion get to you while you're holding your shares and what you buy. Take profit when you can and buy on the dips.
That's it. Simple, isn't it? We're all up today. We're looking good. And my Coca-Cola's getting cheaper and cheaper. Any minute now, Fight, I've set it for auto redividend. Never done auto before. I normally do it manually, as you know. But I've set auto because I don't know the second it's going to come in, do I? And I'm thinking...
your dividend will be in between... Your time would be between 7:45 and 8 o'clock.
Will it?
Yep.
Okay. Because I've set it for auto because I'm thinking the moment everyone buys in, Coca-Cola could rise a little bit. So I just want to Normally I don't do that. I do it manually, but this is different because I want to sell it outright. So I want to get in as quickly as possible in case there is a little pop after the dividend. Anyway, thanks for that little tip there, Fight. I appreciate it. Cheers, mate. There is the event. It's about to start. Come and join me. I've given everyone the link. Please do join me. It's Let It Snow. If everyone watches it, it'll blow up, and I really would appreciate it. Link in the chat. Let's go. I've got to end in 3, 2, 1 as